I get to see so many incredible places. I get so amazed by the nature wherever I go. Behind every corner there's something new. So Jesper, when he was really young, he was this kid and he was doing all these crazy things, but at the same time he was so shy. So it's been really nice to be able to follow how he has grown as a person and also how he has grown as a skier.
That's where we're going, to the top.
I express myself through skiing. Because in Sweden we don't really talk to people we don't know. I was really shy in the beginning.
There.
But now the best thing with skiing for me is to travel and see a lot of new cultures, see a lot of new people, meet a lot of new friends.
Wow.
No way.
I mean, that's the biggest thing for me, so that's something I learned now when I've been traveling a lot, that talking to people and not be as shy.
Burn. What? Yep, definitely burn.
I like to go back home, think about what you've been experiencing. But it doesn't take much time before you start craving a new adventure.